Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today we will be going over the new comics that are coming out tomorrow on May 29th, 2019. So let's go ahead and check it out. Aftershock Comics already right off the bat. Dark Red number 3. Can't wait to grab it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what cover A looks like. Looks like there's only one cover. But yeah, great read. Love it. So, it looks like there's a new number 1, Killer Groove. Not going to start anything new right now unless it ends up actually being on the Bolo list, and then I'll go back on Thursday. But yeah, I'm trying to save that money for SDCC. We got Boom Studios, Angel number 1. I'll probably just grab number 1 on this and then grab the rest of them on the rewind, because I am still grabbing Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Alright, so there's a connecting variant. I might have to get that one. If Kevin Wada was doing covers for Angel, I probably would grab it, but doesn't look like he is. Cover A, sweet. Cover B, I'm curious as to what this connecting cover looks like. And cover C. So I'm definitely going with cover A because it has Angel on it. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers number 39. I'm not going to grab it, but I do want to take a look at the covers. Just cover A and cover D. So here's cover A. Ooh, that actually looks pretty cool. And no FOC. Let's see. Doing this one on the fly. Just got back from a trip. So let's see what Dark Horse Comics has. Looks like they have Stranger 6 number 1. Stranger Things 6. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up because I am a huge Stranger Things fan. I actually didn't get the first set that just came out. Might have to look for a cheap set on eBay. So 6. She's a teenage girl with precognitive abilities, has struggled through a lifetime of exploitation only to end up the pawn of a government agency that wants to harness her powers for its own end. You've seen the show Stranger Things, but this is your first glimpse of the strangeness that happened before the series began. So, prequel comic. I'm okay with that as long as it's canon. Sorry about the breathing in the background, my dog. He had a fun time outside. So there's 6. Ooh, this Kyle Lambert variant looks sweet, but it makes her kind of look like 11. Speaking of, is that 11? The David Mack variant. And okay, I need this photo variant. Looks cool. Yeah. Going with cover B. DC Comics, Batman Last Night on Earth, number 1. We got the Greg Capullo and the Jock. I'm definitely going with the Capullo and get him sign it one day. But then again, I'm definitely going with the Jock on the rewind, on the cheap. We got Detective Comics Annual number 2. Looks like Doomsday Clock is finally coming out with an issue, and Heroes in Crisis wraps it up. Not grabbing them. And then there's a Superman Leviathan Rising special, $10. So I'm gonna have to get this on a lighter week. Hug. All right. IDW has Amber Blake number 3. There's a cover A and a B as usual. Here's cover A. Probably gonna grab that since I have cover A for issue 1 and 2, and I never get the 1 and 10 because my shop doesn't order a lot of them. Ooh, Star Trek Year 5 number 2. First issue was great, but I'm not gonna grab number 2 this week. Really trying to be thrifty. I am gonna pull City at War number 2. So Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 93 was City at War number 1. I picked it up, but I didn't grab it, and now that I'm back in town, none of the LCSs have it. But I read the free comic book day issue, and it looks like now is a good time to get back into it. So either cover A or cover B. I'd have to decide there. Image Comics. Let's go ahead and skip straight to Spawn number 297. When I went to Torpedo Comics, they had the signed 297, but it was a little pricey. I'm hoping to get cover C, the black and white. I actually like those. But I'd be definitely okay with cover A. Paul? Yeah. And Walking Dead 1, I didn't want to go to second printing. Alright, so moving on to Marvel Comics, we got Amazing Spider-Man number 22. Just going with the cover A. Ooh, looks like we might see some action. Oh man, Daredevil number 6. No Devils Only God, Part 1. No Devils Only God. Yeah, so Daredevil has disappeared from Hell's Kitchen. Wow. Tedesco, you're so talented. We got Fantastic Four number 10, Scalera. Glad he's doing these. Giant Man number 2. Looks like there's a cover A and a B. So cover A. And the Chiquetto cover B. That's pretty sweet. Immortal Hulk has a crap ton of printings, but I'm only interested in number 18. Grabbing the Alex Ross. If I do see that 1 in 25 and it's close to ratio, I understand it's probably going to be slightly higher. I'm going to grab that, but I did get a store variant from Unknown Comics that's coming on the way for number 18. 181 goes to second printing for the facsimile. Major X number 1 goes to third printing, and it does have a 1 in 25. Would love to get that. I know I'm not going to grab it or be able to. So here is cover A, and cover B looks the same, so I'm sure we'll find out what it looks like on Wednesday. Major X number 3 second printing, and it's a Will Portasio. Grabbing it. I don't normally get all the printings, but I'm all in on Major X. And number 4 also comes out. I like Liefeld. Assuming. Marvel's City at War number 3. Clayton Crane. Love it. Life Story goes to number 2, goes to second printing. Bunch of Star Wars. Thanos number 2, been waiting on this one. Just grabbing cover A. Jen Bartel is one of my current favorite artists. Thor number 13. I do want to take a look at cover B, even though I'm going to grab cover A. So here is cover B. It's pretty dope. And cover A. I mean, if cover B is affordable, I'd grab it, but we'll see. True Believers for Silver Surfer, Rude Awakening, and Kraven's Last Hunt. Uncannies go to second print. Venom 13 goes to second print. Ooh, War of the Realms, Spider-Man and the League of Realms number 2. Ken Lashley cover A. I haven't read that yet. I haven't read any of the Act 2. I gotta catch up on Avengers. War of the Realms, War Scrolls number 2. This one I heard is sold out. And out of all the tie-ins, War Scrolls is my favorite right now. Followed, maybe it's a close tie with Journey into Mystery. X-23 number 12. I'm thinking about dropping it unless something crazy comes out on the bolo, and just grab it later. Depends on the pocket. X-Men Grand Design Extinction number 1 of 2. I never got 2 of 2 for the last Grand Design. I need to go back and grab that, and then I'm probably gonna grab this on Wednesday. Okay, looks like that's it. There's some Rick and Morty's coming out for Ani. Source Point has nothing I'm grabbing, and same with Valiant. Vault, I am gonna grab Queen of Bad Dreams number 2. Yep. And I kind of want to look at the solicitation for She Said Destroy. Alright, over millennia, Bridget, goddess of the sun, has conquered and converted the entire solar system into worshipping her and her alone, save one space colony. The Witches of Fae are the last believers of the Morrigan, goddess of death, Brigid's sister, and the only other god left, as Brigid's or Bridget's forces prepare for one final battle. The Morrigan prepares to do what she does best, destroy. Yeah, pass. Okay, so that's all I got. Got a bunch of videos to record from my trip this weekend. Hope everyone had a great weekend, and I'll see you at the next stop. This is High Road Comics, going offline.